GenAI for DevOps engineers, 30 days, real labs, real workflows. Launch price, $39, limited seats. This program is built to fix exactly that. Not theory, not buzzwords, not build chat. We focus on practical GenAI skills that directly map to real DevOps workflows. This is not a video-only course. You'll get guided, hands-on labs, real environments, time-bound, controlled access, exercises that mirror real DevOps plus GenAI usage. 30 Days of AI Agents is a hands-on program designed to help learners understand, build, and evaluate modern AI agents using popular open-source frameworks. Over 4 weeks, participants will build AI agents using tools such as N8N, Crew AI, Llama Index, LangGraph, and Small Agents. Duration 30 days. Format live instructor-led sessions. Hands-on, yes, guided labs and exercises.
Let's look at question 11. As an AI engineer using large language models LLM in your organization, you need the LLM to leverage company documents to answer queries related to your organization's specific context. Which Bedrock feature will help you achieve this? And then we have 4 options. Option A, Bedrock knowledge bases. Option B, Bedrock model evaluation. Option C, Amazon comprehend. Option D, Amazon recognition. To solve this question, the first step is to understand the purpose of each option and then eliminate one that clearly doesn't fit. Identify the task requirement. The task requires the LLM to access and use company-specific documents to answer queries, which points directly to a feature focused on integrating external data sources with the LLM. Discard other features like model evaluation, comprehend, and recognition that do not directly address the integration of company documents with the LLM for query answering. Now match the feature to the need. Bedrock knowledge bases are specifically designed for this purpose, making it the correct answer. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, Bedrock knowledge bases, is correct because this feature allows you to create a fully managed retrieval augmented generation RAG experience. It enables the LLM to retrieve and use information from your company's internal documents to provide accurate and context-specific answers to queries related to your organization. This feature is crucial when you need the AI model to be informed by proprietary data and respond accurately in your business context. Option B, Bedrock model evaluation, might seem like it could help because it is related to assessing the performance of models. However, it is incorrect for this use case because model evaluation is designed to compare and benchmark different models, not to integrate company-specific documents for generating context-aware answers. Option C, Amazon comprehend. While useful for text analysis tasks like sentiment analysis and entity recognition, it does not facilitate the use of company-specific documents to answer queries. Option D, Amazon recognition. This service is geared towards image and video analysis and does not assist with text-based query resolution using company documents. By applying this technique, you can confidently choose option A, Bedrock knowledge bases, as the correct feature to use for enabling your LLM to answer company-related queries based on internal documents.